for RCBC, I think this is really in compliance with FASA. And very soon, RCBC will also be launching the OTP-less transaction via mobile apps. So what will happen there is that, so normally, I think the most number of cyber fraud incidents would be using the OTP, right, and clickable links. So in this case, for starting January next year, we will be experiencing an OTP-less interface with mobile apps of RCBC. So meaning fraudsters no longer have to use the OTPs, but would be who would lure our customers to for the OTP account takeovers. So that's why we are eliminating those incidents. But of course, this is within the compliance of the APAS.